Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x plus y. Because this is about the s, so we need to do first the derivative of s, and we got number 1. This one that is not about s, so you got number 0. Because we don't have number 2 next to the s, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to y, that is from here. So we put y gone here, and we have 2y plus y, we have 3y. When s equals to 3y, we put 3y gone here, and we got u equals to 7y. This one that is about 3y, this one that is about 7y. This one we change for u. The s we change for this one. So the integration of cosine u, that is about sine u. And we put the bounds from 3y to 7y. So this one I will put in here, and this one we put in here. So the integration of sine, that is about negative 1 over 7 cosine of 7y. And the next one, positive 1 over 2, 1 over 3 sine of, cosine of 3y. And then we put the bounds from 0 to b. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have negative number 4 over 21. This is the end. Thank you for watching.